Hello, how you doing today? So I started talking about this unboxing probably almost a year ago, and it's what's called a helium miner from iHub Global. And basically what you do is you put this device in your window and it forms what's called a peer-to-peer Wi-Fi network, but the company then pays you in crypto. So I haven't seen it yet. I'm really excited, no joke. So I'm gonna open this up. I always wonder, what happens if you make a mistake when you're filming? How do you take two, right? So here we go, a box inside of a box with, all right, welcome to the iHub family. So put that here, let me see what my miner is going to look like. I waited months for this, so if you've ordered one, hang in there. But, oh yes, very cool. Here it is right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount this outside and form that peer-to-peer network. So if you're interested in getting one as well, it's going to take a while, but I'll leave a link down in the description below and you can check it out. And yeah, it comes with a cool little box here, and then the antenna here as well, and then a box that probably has some of the mounting hardware or something like that, or actually a charger. So very cool. I am going to read the instructions. I'll film another video once I get mine up and activated and tell you, how much I'm making each week or month by using this. But once again, talk3.net, and you can join my team and get one of these and put it in the window and form that peer-to-peer Wi-Fi network. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.